Welcome to this brand new video of the sub account mastery course. So today we are just covering up the forms and the lead generation. We find out forms here, right? On the lead generation, on the forms section, how do you create form? Okay, firstly, the question is how do you create a form? And secondly, what will the form help you and where does it help you, right? So forms usually help you to get information about your leads, about your customers that are coming up. You want to filter it them using your questions. You can do it through form, right? By asking questions, you get a filtered data, right? So depending upon that, you can run automations on them, or you can get a follow up on them, right? Depending upon that filtered data you have got from the customer, or if you want more information about the customer, you can do it through form, right? You can embed those form in your landing pages and your websites that are live, right? So to get information about the customers that are coming up, and that you can use it for in future to pitch them the products that you're going to do. Okay, so currently we can start up with the new form, right? How do you create a form? So just click on forms, you create a new form. Okay, click on new form. It will just give you the good screen, you, where you have a preview of the form and where you can edit the form. Okay, so you can name the form as form 1. We can name it as form 1. Okay, Facebook pixel id usually used for tracking the lead from the form that they have filled up the form. Okay, button, you can even say submit, or whatever button you want to give the title, it will just update it here. Okay, we can say submit as of now. Enter redirect url. If you want to redirect them to any of your landing page or thank you page, you just need to copy the link of that thank you page and you need to paste it. As of now, I have my I want to redirect them to my current website. Okay, my official website. Okay, website.com. Okay, I want to redirect them to my official website. I want to change the button color to somewhere, uh, should give a good feeling. Okay, this is also good color. Okay, button text color, I'll make it a little darker. Okay, yes, I can go ahead with this. See, if I want to change the form background color, I can change it. Okay, I can make it a little lighter on this side. Okay, yes, this color doesn't match up here. Okay, so you can adjust it accordingly. If you want to transparent form, okay, we have an option for transparent form also. So it will just come up whole transparent. You don't see anything here on the background, right? Only the button and the floating boxes, right? So this is how you can do it. If you want to change the form text color, you can change it, okay, accordingly. So this darker only we can keep. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Okay, after filling up the form, if you want to redirect them to pipeline, okay, how we did it in the shop for the product, after they filled up, they went into a pipeline. So the same way, if you want to redirect them to, I mean, if you want to add them into any pipeline after filling up the form, you can just select a pipeline. I have more pipelines made for myself. Okay, if I'm embedding this form on my website, I can redirect, make different pipelines. As of now, I want to add them into VSL funnel, which is the stage lead. Okay, so this, after filling up the form, I'll find my leads here on the VSL funnel on the lead section. Okay, if I want to give them tag saying that website lead or something, we can say, just for my reference, I just need to type the tag, select it, and that's all. I can easily add the tags here. Okay, so this is how I can add my tags. Okay, if I want to add more tags, I can write it down more here, right? So as of now, one tag is enough. Okay, I just come down here in name, email, and phone number. Okay, if I want to change the name, it you can change the field name. Okay, you can enter the placeholder also, enter my name or something. Okay, so we can just keep it as usual only. That was proper. Okay, This is name. I can change it in capital letters if you want. I can customize it. I can do everything. If I want phone number first, I can just drag and drop there. So that is that easy. If you don't require email, you can just disable it. So it is not required for the customers to fill up their email. Okay. Okay. So this is one part. Okay. And how do you add more questions? How can you filter more data? Okay. So here on the add field option, we have additional fields that are made for the business owners. If you want to know their business name, state, okay, you can get it. If it's where you think it is required for the people to fill up the business name, you can tick mark as is required. Until and unless they don't write down the business name, they won't be able to move ahead with the form. Okay, if you want more information, okay, date of birth, opportunity name, oh, that you can, okay, you can add more fields. Okay, so if you feel these fields are not enough, they're not matching your custom fields, you come up here and add new custom field. Just click on it, it will just redirect you to the new fields. Okay, add new field. How do you do that? Add new field. On the top right corner, click on add new field. Okay, if you want multiple options saying that you can say how many years of experience you have in this field, so you can give them checkbox or radio button, right? If you want in detail explanation saying that tell me about yourself, you can give them multi-line here, right? So there are different kinds of fields you can make. Drop down, you can give option as a drop down. Okay, okay, so you can give options as a drop down, right? So as of now, I'll just give you an example of radio button where you can use for different options. If you're giving them multiple options, okay, you can say how many years of experience you have. Okay, 1 to 2 years. Okay, add more options. 2 to 5 years. 5 to 10 years. We can say 5 to 10 years or 10 plus, right? So this is how you can add options, you can give them, and you can just save it. That's all. This is easy. You can just save it. You just come up here, give a refresh button here, select field. On the bottom right corner you'll have this option. Okay, how many years of experience you have, see. Okay, so if it's required, yes, you can just mark it as is required, and yes, you can make it is required, right? So here privacy policy links and this, it is optional. If you want your have a good customer view, you can add your privacy policy links. It is anyways optional thing. Once done, you just come up here and just save it. Okay, you just come up here and save it. The redirection link must be okay. mywebsite.com is not valid. mywebsite.com, is it okay? I can save it. Wait, okay, no problem. So redirection URL, we can redirect them to google.com. Give me a URL on google.com. Let me just redirect them to google.com. Form 1, that is okay. Button colors, I need to come up again. Okay, I can make a transparent form. I want a transparent form. Select the pipeline as USL funnel. On the stage, lead. Okay, tag website lead. We can I have already a tag made with that. Okay, placeholder, as I told you, I want my phone number and name, everything in capital letters, email and phone number. Okay, I can just drag here and up. Okay, I want my business name also for the customer's own customer. They need to give me their business name. They need to tell me how many years of experience they have got in the field. Okay, so this is required. Everything is required. Okay, we can move ahead. to, and we can save it. So this is that easy to make forms. Okay, you will find it in form 1. You have made it. Okay, so these are other forms I have already made. So form 1 is made. What you have to do, if you want to embed it on the your website, you just need to come here and copy embed it. Okay, and copy link, if you want to just share it to the customers, you can just copy link, click give, and this is how they can fill up the form. Okay, I have my data. Okay, my name 3. Okay, I can give my mobile number. Okay, I can enter my email, my name at gmail.com, we can say. Okay, a dummy data, what is my business name, enterprise. What enterprise? You can say my enterprise. So you can just write down your business name. I have experience of 2 to 5 years. If I just click on submit, I'm redirected to google.com. That's my redirect URL. Okay, and this is that easy. Okay, and in the lead pipeline, okay, VSL funnel, I'll find my lead with the name my name 3. Okay, if I just come down here on the lead management, I have my pipe. Okay, this is a list view. Okay, we'll come up on this also in the next video. Okay, and I can see in the grid view. Okay, on the webinar funnel, no, in the VSL funnel I have my pipeline. Okay, so my name 3, right? So this is how it works. So it has come up here. If I want to move them to phone call, I can do it. So this is how you can make forms accordingly, right? According to that questions also you can make. You can edit your forms from here anytime, right? If you want to edit, you can edit. If you want to clone, you can clone it from here. If you want to delete, you can delete it from here. This is that easy to make forms on the system. Just need to make it, get an overview, whatever you want to redirect them to. You have a pixel code for your Facebook, you can enter it here. You want to change it to not to submit, you can say inquiry, right? Inquire now. So you can change the name and you can just submit it. So it will just change it to inquire now, the button title. Okay, so it has changed to inquire now, right? So accordingly you can make the changes, and you can make forms and use it for your lead capture and for your lead data, and filter them and run automations accordingly on that, right? So that's all for the video. Thank you.